This boat is very comfy. It works for me. I have chronic back pain. However, I still like to be cute when I go to work. The grip is really nice, non skid, not slippery at all. And it's the perfect height. And it's very comfortable and it's true to size. These are cute, okay?